How to connect your bank account to Web. First of all, log into your Web account and go to your dashboard. Here you will see the option Connect your bank account. This feature allows Web to automatically import your transactions, managing bookkeeping faster and more accurate. To connect your bank account, you will need to subscribe to the Web Pro plan, which unlocks bank connection and automatic transaction import. After clicking on Connect your bank account, Web will prompt you to search for your bank from the list of supported institutions. Once you find your bank, select it to begin the connection process. After selecting your bank, you will be asked to enter your online banking credentials securely. Web uses encrypted connections so your information stays safe. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Web to access your account for importing transactions. Once your bank is connected, Web will automatically import your recent transactions. You can categorize them, reconcile them with invoices and expenses, and keep track of your cash flow in real time. Web also allows you to connect multiple accounts so you can manage checking, savings, or credit card accounts all in one place. Finally, review your connected accounts in the banking section to ensure everything is syncing correctly. Now you know how to connect your bank account to Web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.